I was just so shocked. I'm like, okay, what now? So my name is Jasmine and I'm a mom and an entrepreneur. I run a yoga, bar and Pilates fitness boutique gym called Lab Studios. It's been a long time. I think 2015 it was up on the market. I would say 3 years of really trying to sell the apartment. We had engaged a few agents to come in to market the house. My issue with that was kind of everyone was on a different page on how to sell the apartment. They sold my apartment in 2 months at the price that I wanted. I remember how my super agent told me that the property was sold. I was at the playground with my son and then my phone buzzed and I answered and he's like, "Hi Jasmine, I have good news to share." It's like, "Yes, is there a viewing coming?" "No, we sold your apartment." And I was like, "What?" And I asked him, "At what price? Did you lower the apartment price down?" "At the price you wanted." "What?" And I think I probably didn't look at my son for a while. I was just so shocked. I'm like, okay, what now? So I'll come by to your place to give you a check. There's already money for me. Yes. And it was just so easy. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that at all. I love that it's a one-stop shop. You don't have to worry about dishonest agents. They are very, very professional. I love that from the point of handing over your apartment to them exclusively, everything is taken care of all the way up until your apartment is sold and beyond. If you have needs after, like buying another apartment or your lawyers, renovations even, everything is done in Ohmyhome. You just have one contact person. And finally, I think they're really good with the tools that Ohmyhome has, the buyer-seller matching, that 3D video link that is professionally done. I think those things make a difference to how the house is marketed. If someone called and asked me about Ohmyhome, I would definitely recommend Ohmyhome. In fact, I have recommended Ohmyhome a few times to people.